Hello. This is Julie with eBoss247. Thank you so much for purchasing the Airbrush Empire AI. In this video, I'm going to show you first how to access your purchase, access the GPT, and then I'm going to show you just how to put that GPT to work. So now, first thing you want to do is once you purchase the Airbrush Empire or any of our AI generators, the first thing you want to do is check your email. Inside of your email, you're going to receive the PDF in order to download this generator. Once you download this generator, you're going to receive a PDF that says How to Guide Airbrush Empire AI. You want to double click that. Okay, once you double click, it's just going to be a few pages of about me, why I created this generator, and then on that third page, it's going to say click here to access. You want to go ahead and click that. Okay. Once you click that, your chat GPT is going to open up. Okay. And as you can see, my chat GPT was open. It was already logged in. So it went straight to the Airbrush Empire AI. Okay. Once here, all you have to do, you don't have to do a whole lot of prompting with our generators. All you have to do is if you want to do a custom artwork with someone's image, you can upload their art. Or if you're just simply trying to do an image of anything else, you just want to describe it briefly. If you just want to airbrush out some words, you can do that as well. So we're going to go ahead and generate let's start with an image of a person. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can find some images. I'll take this image right here. All right, and just say, okay, Jewel class of 2027, palm tree in the background. All right, that's all. You're just going to basically put, upload the person's photo, put their information briefly, and then trust the generator to come up with something outstanding for your image. Okay, it's going to take a little bit to generate. Well, not a little bit. It's going to take a few seconds to sketch out the artwork. And once it designs your artwork, you're going to see that it's just going to be a stunning work of art, right? And it's just that simple. Okay, so it took that image and generated this artwork. If you wanted to place this image on a mockup, to be able to showcase this image, you can say, place this image on a white t-shirt, African American woman walking down the street. Okay. And just say something like city in the background. Doesn't have to be a whole bunch of details. Just place this image on a white t-shirt of an African American woman walking down the street, city in the background. Boom. And you're going to hit submit. And then once you submit this, it's just going to generate a mock-up of your image on an individual, on a model, so that you can, say, for instance, you wanted to show a customer what you designed. You don't have to show them the artwork or try to put a watermark on the artwork and send it to them. You can basically showcase it on a mock-up of, of a model so they can see what the artwork will look like. Okay, and there you have it. All right. And so that would be how you would do an airbrush of a custom order of a picture of a custom person. Or if you wanted to just do airbrush of the name Jewel Blaze, surrounded by diamonds, uh, cash, and a crown. Okay. You can just do the airbrush of a name. Okay, so you can basically utilize this in all types of different ways. If you want to create airbrush of custom images for individuals, or if you wanted to do names, sayings. If you're looking to do t-shirt designs, this is a great way to do t-shirt designs, custom t-shirt designs. Artwork for your social media, all types of different things. You can use the Airbrush Empire AI to be able to do that for you. And so there you have it. Okay. Airbrush of the name Joe Blaze, surrounded by diamonds, cash, and a crown. And there you have it. All right. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Social media, eBoss247 is the Facebook group. If you're interested, I've sent the information out to you on how to start an airbrush t-shirt business. That's an added benefit to purchasing this generator. So look for that in your email as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.